Are you struggling to find big donors to support your nonprofit? Do you look at other nonprofits and think, how do they bring in those big gifts year after year? No doubt, one of the most frequent questions I get is, how do I identify and get to large gift donors? Well, here's the thing. Most of the time, big gift donors are right under your nose. Let me share this. Earlier this year, I was at a fundraising event that included both a silent and live auction. It was nicely done, meaning in terms of fundraising, the right people were there, and it was well organized. My husband and I bid on a handful of silent auction items, and we were thrilled when we won a bid on getting some tickets to an upcoming event. But the big money was at the live auction. Wow, we were interested in a trip being offered, but we found out very quickly it was not to be ours. We were out of the running fast. That item went for way more than we expected. But here's my point with this story. There were plenty of people in that room who now should be on that nonprofit's top 100 major donor prospect list. Not just those who won and paid for big ticket auction items. What about those who bid on the auction items? They are major donor prospects too. If you have had an event recently, have you made a personal call to thank each person who bid on or acquired top dollar auction items? Have you shared what their contribution or presence means to you and your beneficiaries? If not, it's not too late. Get on the phone now and let them know how grateful you are for their support. You see, if these are not large gift donors now, they could be very soon. This is how you build on relationships right under your nose. Fundraising is about relationship building and recognizing opportunities for large gifts. Okay, one more thing to share. Per the responses from the free workshop last month, I'm offering another free workshop this month, except this one is called How to Find Big Donors. I'm offering this workshop for 2 days only, so click the link provided so you don't miss out. It's interactive and a lot of fun. Not to mention, you get the scoop on some awesome tips and strategies. I hope to see you there.